So this is a 1980 Trans Am, which originally came with a 301 engine. We scrapped all that. We wanted it to be a fun muscle car and something that somebody would really have fun and enjoy driving. So I did it as if I was gonna do it myself, and I didn't cut any corners. So we started with a 400 Pontiac engine that's rebuilt. It's got a little bit of a camshaft in it. We put a brand new quadrajet carburetor on it. It's got HEI ignition. Everything's great on it and ready to go. Turbo 350 transmission. We went through all the suspension. All new springs in the front, all new bushings everywhere, new bushings in the back. We made sure the ride heights were right. We lowered the front with some different springs. We put all new sway bar bushings in it, all new brakes, all new brake lines, all new fuel lines, new fuel tank. So everything is pretty much mechanically brand new on the car when it comes to that stuff. We put some really cool wheels and tires on it. We made sure the shaker hood scoop was functional, so it pulls the air in through the intake in the hood, which, you know, you get that sound. The paint job wasn't terrible, but we went and wet sanded the entire thing and buffed it all out, and it turned out to be pretty darn nice. So it looks good too. The interior, we tore it all out, and we had replaced some of the floor pans. We fixed all the rust where there was rust. We sealed everything on both the top and the bottom, and then we put a new carpet in it. We cleaned all the seats and fixed all the stitching that needed to be fixed up. And we put a new Kenwood stereo in the thing so that you can listen to some classic rock and roll music when you're driving it down the road.